what is the implication of the word gratitude? What is the actual concept the gratitude word holds?
Just like in the previous discussion, we spoke about a calm mind. So that is required. That is one food for our brain. The second is happiness.
Of course.
So once we are happy and we feel grateful, so our mind is ready to accept more. So for opening our mind, see, our open mind is actually like gives us the all the things. Like you need to learn something. If you need to open your mind, right? So happiness and gratitude, these are very interrelated things. Now I'll tell you one story. Most of the things that we have in life are free of cost. That gives us happiness.
Obviously.
Most of the things. You talk about air, oxygen, and everything, that is free of cost. Even happiness is something which cannot be purchased. It is not
Doesn't
that I
cost
have
anything.
today this gold jewelry or I have this car and then I'll be happy. It is free of cost. That happiness is generated from inside. It is a training of mind. So the story that I was telling about, like there is a blind boy who is begging, and the picture is, the scenario is that there is like people are going for office in the morning. So at that place he is begging with a hat. वो अपना hat को एक staircase के वहाँ पे रखा हुआ है, and then there is a board which says I am blind, please help me. So a lot of people are going from there, no one is noticing because people are busy, no one is noticing, they are running for their work. So there is a one man who comes and he takes out some money from his pocket, he keeps it in the hat, and he sees that the hat is almost, it is having one or two notes, no one is bothering to even help the person. So he takes the board, he writes something, and then he walks away. So then in the afternoon, the man returns, and when he comes, the boy asks, I think you are that same gentleman who gave me money in the morning and you did something. After that, people started giving me money. So then he asked, what did you do? So this man said that nothing. You wrote, I am blind, help me, and I wrote, I just changed the same thing, the same truth I wrote, this is such a beautiful day, but I can't see. So this is a revelation, this is a magical thing that turned around the entire scenario. So people now started realizing that they are so lucky, they are so grateful to God because they are able to see. But see, in our daily hustle bustle life, we forget that we are so blessed. We can see, we can speak, we can hear, we can do all sorts of things, and these are all free of cost. But still, we complain. So we have to get into the habit of minimizing the complaints of our life and enjoy what we have. So that's it, basically preparing the minds, young minds, for the future.